What's up, everybody? It's your man Dan here. I'm with Marco.
Yo.
We're gonna go get some. Where are we going today for? We're
Fiddleheads.
Fiddleheads.
Yeah.
Fiddleheads. Why Fiddleheads?
Fiddleheads. Because we're in the Fiddlehead Capital of the world.
We're in the Fiddlehead Capital of the world, and we're at a disclosed location that we're not giving you the location. It's beside a highway, but that's the only thing we can give you. So yeah. So where are you gonna show them?
Show them how to pick fiddleheads.
This is the road.
See all these in fiddleheads?
These are all fiddlehead heads. They're not coming out yet.
But we're on the official path. It's gonna be a little trillium. Let's see if we can get some trillium flowers here soon. This is it, guys. This is what we're after. No, don't eat it like that. It's poisonous when you eat it raw. You gotta cook it first. Okay.
Look at this guy. At this little flower. Sangria. Eh?
Sangria, he says. No, it's sanguinaria.
I was close. So it's a plant that you can take the roots, and the roots they call this like the blood root, right?
Blood root, yeah.
Blood root flower. So like you take the roots, and it would kind of, you know, bleed like blood. So it's like this little flower here. Only in New Brunswick. Only in New Brunswick, right?
It's all over the north.
All over the north. So it's all
over the east coast.
So it's just the east coast.
Yeah.
Okay. So just the east coast. Pretty special. So yeah. It's really raining today, huh, Marco?
Oh, it's pretty good though.
We're pretty good though. We'll show you what we got in a few minutes. Oh, got rain out. Right now we're walking in this field and you can kind of hear, what is it called?
I'm pretty sure it's spring peepers. It's a little type of like, it's like a tree frog.
Okay. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's a beautiful sound. So you got this big opening here. For the people from the region, you probably know where we are.
That's one of those famous reasons why we have the Bluegrass Festival here in Campbellton.
Really?
No.
You got me there. That was a good one. What should you get?
Enough for 2 suppers. That was like 5 minutes.
So imagine after an hour. Oh, back in the woods. There we go. So like the forests that we have here are really dense. It makes it kind of hard to get to the good spots for fiddleheads. But dedicated fiddlehead pickers like us, we go to where no man has gone before. You can kind of tell if people were already at your spot if some fiddleheads were picked. You can tell. But it doesn't seem like anybody was here.
No.
That's good. More for us. Sometimes they're hard to get out, but it's worth
it, eh?
Worth it. These things are delicious with butter and salt, and yeah.
And they're worth a lot.
And they're worth a lot because it takes this much to get them. Not many people want to do what we're doing right here, so if you want to do it and you want to experience, you know, what we do here, I would have to say this is one of the main things that you have to try.
Last year it wasn't.
Yeah, see, like last year it wasn't raining. This year it's raining, so, but sometimes it's actually better when it's raining because it means that the rivers are gonna kind of overflow and make all this place like flood a bit. And that's what the fiddleheads need, right, to grow. They need like that wetness and the shade and wetness, right? So all these little things you see beside me, these little brown things, these are all fiddleheads when they're fully grown. And these things here, like, take one of these things right here, these are all the seeds, and they kind of drop off when they dry and replant for next year. When you get these nice big ones, those are tasty ones. That's another thing, like, try to always keep like one on the where it's growing. You always try to want to keep one for it can grow one for the next year. I can't believe, like, we're in the middle of the forest. Look at this. Look at this crap. Come on, people. I shouldn't have done that, but I'll pick it up.
What's your stop and dip then? Is it on cone?
Yes.
I'm always positive. That's what you need. A positive friend. That's it.
Positive. Don't leave me hanging.
Never.
Don't leave me hanging.
Oh, almost.
Look at this, guys. This is a beauty.
Hamilton was booming.
Yeah, Hamilton was booming in those times. And now it's booming in Fiddleheads. 'Tis the season to be fiddleheady. Da 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 da. Oh yeah. Look at this. All kinds. So this is not, okay, yeah, this comes from like the Restigouche River.
Yep.
Okay.
Overflow from the rain and this winter's water. And
wow.
oh, it's freaking hot.
Oh yeah?
Oh, right. Look at that. You filming this?
Oh yeah.
Look how nice and clean that is.
Yeah, see, like this is drinkable water.
You want to see this? Look. I'd give it a 8.5. Nice and clear.
It looks purified. We got clean water, guys. We got clean water. We're just in the swamp. Would you think there's like fish in here though?
Not really, because this is gonna go down like really soon.
Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. So I'm over here. He's got all these fiddleheads. Now look at me.
My bucket's almost half empty.
Sad bucket I have. It's a sad bucket. But it makes one meal. It makes one meal. Marco found something. What do you find? What do you find?
I'm looking for tracks.
What is this?
But I'm pretty sure that's
deer.
Yeah, I'm looking for tracks that look like a deer, but
that's deer poop.
not sure. It's not deer poop. It's eating berries. But if we can find a track, that'll kind of seal the deal. I think that's me.
That's you. So we found Eden berries.
Most likely, looks like a deer to me.
Oh, woodpecker. Could be a. Yeah, it's a maple, eh?
I'll have to ask him.
Are you a maple? He's not answering. Marco,
No.
I need your expertise. The tree's not answering. Are you a maple? Okay, so we found history in the woods. Okay, there's a lot of history in this woods, and it's, see, look at this. Ever seen a white Budweiser?
Oh, it's probably white because it got like
Crushed,
stained from the sun. But
this is history.
this is a good one. Let's take a sip. No, nothing left.
Ooh. Oh yeah, good old fun in the North Shore. Let's go here. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed our little adventure here, and yeah, we're gonna try to get some more done this summer to show you. You have any ideas?
Keep picking.
Keep picking, man. Just keep picking.
Keeping on picking.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.